Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar has moved closer towards that level of 75, 80, 90, which is also seen as an objective. Be on your guard though, there is a little bit of divergence on the RSI, and as we get closer towards this level, could see a sharp turnaround back to around 77.5 cents. However, with the 60-day moving average broken, it has confirmed in the broader picture that we could see further weakness. As you can see from the break back here in late October 2020, the market turned into a bull trend with a bearish outside range day, and also in the pattern that was slowly unfolding. The immediate target, as I mentioned, is towards this level of 75, 80, 90 and reassess from there. The US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, reaches its objective of 92.50. This, on the flip side, has seen Euro reach its objective of 118.40. I am a little bit cautious in calling any lower than this level, although there is potential to fall towards this region, seen around 116, but it could be a choppy ride. And also the fact is we are oversold, and the ADX is still currently bearish, but I'm a little bit cautious of this RSI. So I'd rather sit out for the next 24 hours and see how the market plays in towards the downside, and see if we do see a solid break of 118.40 to support the level of 116 and the dollar index to 93.5. Looking at dollar yen, we are extremely in terms overbought, but the trend is overheating as it gets to 51 on the ADX. I feel the market's got room to get to 109.60, but that's where I pull the pin and actually go neutral for the moment in case we get a sharp downturn. Sterling challenging this level of 138.30, not quite breaking it, but still potentially trying to see a move back to 135.60, which I'm still viewing as a potential fall. Keep an eye on these indicators, but at present it is bearish. Sterling yen tackles the top side of 150.70 and now breaks, but there is still divergence here, so I am very cautious for coming out of any bull calls at these levels. I still feel there is a significant downturn coming back towards this trend line seen around 146.5. Well, we're now posting the lows around 1,680 for gold, and therefore could see a turnaround due to this bullish divergence. If so, then we may see a rebound off 80 and see a rally back towards the region of 1,720 to reassess. And we've got a bit of a rejection from the high 67s in oil overnight. But technically, keep an eye on this level of 63.80. If we see a break beneath there, that could expose a region down towards $58 a barrel. That wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, looking out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.